All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the dark night of the Indian oppression in occupied Kashmir will eventually end one day and the Kashmiri people will see the dawn of freedom. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said the people of Kashmir are demanding their right to self-determination, but the Indian regime is reluctant to accept the peaceful and democratic formula and is using repression against the resistance movement of Kashmir. Indian Enforcement Directorate summoned the National Conference President and member of the Indian Parliament Farooq Abdullah for investigation in the alleged money laundering case. However, he did not appear in the office of the Enforcement Directorate. According to Kashmir Media Service, in 2022, a charge sheet was filed against Farooq Abdullah in a money laundering case. Protest demonstrations were held in the Jammu region against the anti-people policies of the authorities. According to Kashmir Media Service, the activists of the Jammu and Kashmir National Conference staged a protest in the Mender subdivision demanding the restoration of democracy in occupied Kashmir and the probe into the embezzlement of the funds in the area. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has expressed strong opposition to the Rattle Power Project agreement with Rajasthan, denouncing it as a loot of the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, Umar Abdullah, addressing a press conference in Srinagar, voiced his concerns about the power project being headed to the Rajasthan for the 40 years. Pakistan has expressed regret over the unleashing of a Pakistan-bashing militaristic narrative in India ahead of the next Lok Sabha elections in India. According to Kashmir Media Service Foreign Office spokesperson Mumtaz Zahra Baloch, responding to a query regarding the book of the former Indian diplomat Ajay Bisaria at a weekly news briefing in Islamabad today, said it is a matter of common knowledge that the ruling dispensation in India used Pulwama episode for the domestic political gains.